audio restoration software. Now this is packed with a lot of really great stuff. If you want to take an old recording and clean it up, it has all the presets on the side here, and it goes through step 1 to step 2 to step 3, and it's a great little software that's packed with a lot of high-end stuff. So you would go to step 1, and you can pick flat phono preamp, RIAA preamp. So I'm going to go flat. So if you want a mono file, this is a mono file. Okay, alternatives, acoustic and vertical cut records. And I'll say you record it in vinyl, go to vinyl. Step 2. This step is necessary if you're only planning to create an MP3 or burning your files to a CD or otherwise. So most of you are going to burn it to files, to CD or whatever. So I can click on that. In that case, it didn't do nothing for some reason, but step 3. This removes surface hiss from the recording. So whatever, 80 RPM acoustic recording. Bam. And you have all these filters. So basically I just want to show you with what this has. Some of the presets, it's outrageous what this software has. You can see all the different presets, and lazy man's noise, sample, flat. It's just packed with a lot of presets. And then you would just go, you can preview it, and then run the filter, and you can pick from various settings here. Attenuate it, release, attack time. Okay, so remove clicks and pops. So this is a filter. It will actually load all the clicks and pops in here and tell you how many it's fixed. And again, take a look at all the presets you have in this software. I mean, it's a great restoration software to add to your arsenal of recording software, because it's just packed with a lot of great stuff. Scratch and crackle eliminator, small click only, very aggressive impulsive filter. It's just outrageous. It's great. Remove power, line, hum, and buzz. So again, look at all the different filters. 100 Hertz buzz filter, Hertz buzz filter, full spectrum. So you get this software at diamondcut.com. Okay, so let's get this. Maximize. Geez, the coffee is. I'm doing this like so early in the morning. The coffee has to get into my brain. Maximize the single level, so you can normalize it to whatever you want to normalize it to. -3, -4, -3 dB. The tonality would probably be a lot better. This is coming from an award-winning mastering engineer. As he says, to put it at about -3 dB. Don't put it at 0 dB, because the tonality at -3 dB is a lot better. Equalize the tracks to your taste. This is just audio restoration software. It doesn't have a parametric EQ, but it has a graphic EQ. Okay, equalize the tracks to your taste. Modify the dynamics of the sound. So it's it's basically a compressor. So you can set the attack time, the ratio of the compression, expander, compression. Even has a classical music compressor. If you're doing classical music, has all kinds of stuff. So, okay, correct the pitch of the song, correct the speed of the song, enhance speech sounds having no sibilance, so you know, the S's. Again, look at all the presets you get on this. Okay. So, as an easy cleaner, this is again, you know, take out any scratch, crackle, hiss, and it'll show you. Here, I'll preview this. So it shows you right here what it's taking out of the recording. And you can adjust it to any scale. I think with a lot of hiss and crackle, you'd probably put it up around 70. Not so much, 50%. Again, packed with just a phenomenal amount of presets. Run filter, and it processes it over here. Dynamic noise filter. Again, it's noise reduction. And you can adjust it here. Demo audio wave file dehiss. Wave file max noise reduction. So I just want to go into that. Can I get down here? Is this going to allow me to get? Yeah, it is. Okay, add room ambience to your dead recording. Add tube warmth. Here's the tube. If you want the high noise mode, you know, it's just, you know, again, what you're getting for this, and it's not very expensive. And widen the stereo musical soundstage for both channels. Lead vocal attenuator 4, you know, FM stereo multi-noise filter. Anyways, what else can I show you here? File conversion, mono to stereo files, mono left stereo. Stereo wave 5 clone 3D attenuation. So if you don't know what attenuation is, you probably do. Most people do. It's just lowering the sound, right? Yeah. Okay, so I just want to give you what this can do. And again, you might want to add it to your arsenal if you want to clean up old recordings. I mean, it's packed with so many great stuff. And you want to like remaster your point, like clean up your audio. But again, it doesn't have a parametric EQ, so you're not going to be able to probably master to the level of, you know, recording programs that do have parametric EQs. But I mean, you're still going to get a really great product out of something like this. And then you can always put it into, you know, some software that has parametric EQ and master it. And yeah. Okay, well, thanks for listening. If you like this, subscribe to the channel for more recording engineering tips. And see you later. Bye-bye.